All right, so we're going to be looking at solving equations involving determinants. So now sometime you might be given, to solve for an unknown value x, something looking like this, solving an equation involving determinants. That's pretty easy. So now all you have to do now is use determinants and solve it like a regular equation. So solve and find the values of x satisfying this equation. Now I like to use row 1. So using row 1, we have to remember now using row 1, we're using row 1, this row. So if we're using this row, right, if we're using that row, then we know it's going to be positive minus positive. So it's going to be x times the determinant of x times the determinant of is like a crossover of the x. So it's going to be 1, 4, 1, 8. You cross out the row and the column with the x. And it's going to be minus now 1 times the determinant of minus 1 times cross out the row and the column with 1. So that leaves x squared 4, x cubed 8. This is x squared 4. This is x cubed 8. Yeah, man. So this is what we have. Determinant. And finally, we'll have plus 2 times. We'll cross out the row and the column with 2. That leaves x squared 1, x cubed 1. X squared 1, x cubed 1. This is equal to 0. So to solve something like this now, it's going to work out to be x times, the determinant of this 2 by 2 is AD minus BC, so it's going to be 8 minus 4. It's now 8 minus 4. Close up that bracket. Then we have minus 1 times, in this bracket it's going to be 8 times x squared, which is 8x squared. 8x squared. This is going to be minus 4x cubed. Then close up that. Plus 2 times what now? This is going to be x squared times 1 is x squared minus x cubed. And this is equal to 0. This is now equal to 0. So solving this now, so it looks like it's going to lead to a cubic equation. Leading to a cubic equation, so now 8 minus 4 is 4, so that part work out to be 4x. So work out to be 4x. Then we have minus 1 minus 8x squared is minus 8x squared. Then what we have now is minus 1 times minus 4x cubed. That's positive 4x cubed. Positive 4x cubed. And then now we have this 2 right here times x squared. That's just plus 2x squared. Is now plus 2x squared. And then we have 2 times minus x cubed. That's minus 2x cubed. And this equal 0. So now all we have to do now, I like to write it in descending powers of x. So this 4x cubed and this minus 2x cubed, them two here, when you add them together, you're going to get 2x cubed. So we get 2x cubed, then minus 8x squared and plus 2x squared, that's minus 6x squared. Then we have plus 4x equals 0. Plus 4x equal 0. What I like to do to solve this equation is divide through by 2. So dividing through by 2, we're going to end up get x cubed minus 3 x cubed minus 3x squared, x cubed minus 3x squared, plus dividing this by 2, you get plus 2x equals 0. So it's going to work out to be really, really, really simple. All we have to do now is factorize first. We can factor out x. Factoring out x here, left back with x squared minus 2x plus 2. Plus 2x, sorry, that's plus 3x. Let me not get a little crazy. Getting ahead of myself, that's x squared minus 3x plus 2. This is what we're left back with, equals 0. Nice. So now we'll go ahead and solve this. This is just easy to solve from here, very easy. So what we're getting is, to finish factorize, it's x times x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. Let me see. This would give me back minus 3x, yes. So the solutions are x equals 0, x equal 1, or x equal 2. That's how we solve this equation. Now, of course, you know, I like to verify my solutions. So to verify my solution, let's go here in Symbolab, and we were finding the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. So let's do it. Matrix determinant calculator. And we're solving the determinant of the 3 by 3. And that 3 by 3 was, this was x1, 2. So let's put it in, x1, 2. And then we had x squared. We had x squared, 1, 4. X squared 1, 4. Then we had x cubed 1, and was it 8? Let me just check back. Yes. And then we were solving this equals 0. It will solve for x for us. So there it is, just to verify that x equals 0, 1, and 2. Just to verify for us. Nice. Soft. So that is indeed what we get, x equals 0, 1, or 2. Nice.